Now, good morning. Yesterday we have seen origin of sound and I have sent you the notes. I hope you all have written that. आप लोगों ने सारे नोट्स लिख लिए होंगे. Now see your book. See your book and in that book at page number. See at page number 42, page number 140. See in your book page number 140. You have some questions are there. So you have to do it. These questions at page number 140. What are the questions over there? At page number 140. First question is anything that can be heard. Anything that can be heard is
sound.
Sound. ऐसे बोल. लिखो sound. Second question that you can see over there. SI unit of frequency. SI unit. SI मतलब होता है बच्चों स्टैंडर्ड इंटरनेशनल. SI unit of frequency is hertz. देखिए SI unit of frequency is hertz. Then third question, vibrations travels in a wave like motion. लिखो wave like motion. Wave like motion. Then the fourth question, give examples each of internal and external sound. We have a lot of examples. Internal sound जैसे swelling, swelling, श्वास ले रहे हैं, श्वास छोड़ रहे हैं, swelling. Okay. Now, so you can see twanging. Twanging श्वास ले रहे हो क्या कहेंगे अपन? Breathing. Sorry, not swelling there. Breathing, twanging. These are the internal sound and external sound. That we can see a lot of sound from car, bus. Extra sound which we can heard. You have a lot of examples. So you may write over there according to your wish. Okay? Bolo?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now the next question. What is amplitude? That we have written. The maximum displacement from the mean position. The maximum displacement that we have seen. That is, write down the definition. Maximum. What is that definition? लिखो in a vibration. लिख लीजिए in a vibration. In a vibration, the maximum displacement from the mean position. In a vibration, the maximum displacement from the mean position. The maximum displacement from the mean position. Write down. Yes. The maximum position from the mean position, write down. Now, what is the next question? Read them question. What is that question? Write down.
Sound.
How is sound produced in humans? How is sound produced in humans? ये भी हमने कल बताया आपको. लिख लीजिए इसका आंसर. Sound waves. Write down. Sound waves in humans. Sound waves In humans, don't talk. Dikshita Nahar, what happened? Sound waves in humans are produced due to the vibration of vocal cords, vibration of vocal cords present in the larynx of voice box or voice box. These vibrations are heard. These vibrations are heard. These vibrations are heard as speech. When air passes through the vocal cord, when air passes through the vocal cord, when air passes to the vocal cords, sound is produced. Sound is produced. This is the answer here. Write down. Yes, बच्चों आपको बोर्ड का साफ दिखाई दे रहा है बिल्कुल?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो बेटा लिख लीजिए. चलो write down. Write down. Again, I am repeating. Sound waves in human are produced due to the vibration of vocal cords produced in the larynx or voice box. Their vibrations are heard as a speech. When air passes to the vocal cords, sound is produced. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
चलिए, next article we are going to learn. Today's new article. These are the questions you have to write in your notebook. Now, dear children, we are going to see today's our topic. लिखिए propagation of sound. Sound चलता कैसे? How can you listen? I am speaking, you are listening. I am speaking, you are listening. How it is possible? Just we are going to learn. We know that sound wave is produced. We know that sound wave is produced when something is vibrate. That we have learned. Sound wave is produced when something vibrates. So when an object vibrates, मैं vibrate कर रहे हैं मेरे lips. Then air disturbs. Then air particle disturb. Then air particle gets the energy from my lips. That energy will transfer to the next particle, then transfer to the next particle, and at last reaches to your ear. The particle near to your ear catch the energy and you can listen. So my dear children, in a sound wave, energy transfer from particle to particle ऐसे देखिए यहाँ से एनर्जी आ रही है like this, इस प्रकार से particle to particle energy is transferred and then come to our ear and we can listen. This is the way the propagation of sound. Is it clear? You can see the figure. Here is a bell. From the sound is coming and sound comes in this manner here. You see like this. Sound waves are coming particle to particle. ये particle से particle sound wave आ रही है and reaches to our ear. This is our ear. Here it is our ear. To draw this figure, you cannot see the ear correctly. So I can draw a small figure. Here you can see, and here is our ear. The particle is transferred from particle to particle. Here, draw this figure. See this sound wave is due to a chain reaction. ये कहलाता है chain reaction. तो sound wave is due to the chain reaction. Sound wave is due to the chain reaction. Now, right? लिख लिया बच्चों? दिव्यम बंसल. Yes. So when object vibrates, here the bell vibrates, it disturbs the air around it. The molecule of air in contact with the objects begins to vibrate. जो भी इसके कांटेक्ट में आएगा, that will also vibrate. They gain some energy. Here it gains some energy. In this process, these molecules transfer energy. These molecules transfer energy from particle to particle. At last, reaches to our ear. This is our ear. Reaches to our ear, and we can listen. Okay? Yes. So, molecule in turn transfer this energy to molecules close to them, and they will also vibrate. The chain reaction starts. और जब chain reaction starts हो जाती है, this chain reaction is called sound wave. क्या कहलाता है बच्चों? Sound wave.
Sound wave.
Okay.
Sound wave.
Draw this figure. So sound wave moves from a source to a listener. There is a source. मैं बोल रहा हूँ source. So sound wave is transfer from source to listener. You are listener. I am source. तो ऐसे sound जो है source से listener की तरफ जाती है.
Yes, sir.
It needs molecules to travel. Okay, energy transfer from particle to particle. So sound waves can travel through, लिख लो, sound waves can travel through solid, liquid and gases. Sound wave can travel through solids, liquids and gases. Write down. But it cannot travel in vacuum. Vacuum का मतलब जहां पर बिल्कुल हवा नहीं है. There is no air. That medium is called vacuum. Is that clear? तो लिख लो ये. Now, here we can perform a small activity that you can see in your book also. What that activity? How sound is propagated? How sound is propagated? To observe propagation of sound through a medium. To observe लिखिए. To observe propagation of sound Write this activity also in your copy. To observe propagation of sound through a medium. Through a medium. Through a medium. Here. Write down. For that, what are the things you required? The required things you may write here. That is, write down flask, cork. आपको एक flask लेंगे. Here we are taking here a flask. Here. Say this is the flask here. Here I can say.
लैपटॉप यूज नहीं करते हो?
Yes. मैं थोड़ा ऊपर लिख लेता हूँ. Here we are taking a flask. See like this. This is the flask. We are taking here 2 flasks to see this activity. And a cork with a 2 holes. Here we are taking a cork. Here 2 holes are there. See this manner. Draw the figure along with me. Here we are taking a cork and 2 holes are there. Now, an electric bell. Here is an electric bell. Here you put inside the flask. Here is an electric bell. And a rubber tube, vacuum pump, and a battery. Here you put a battery. Here you put a battery outside it. Here also you take a battery. Here. Now, a rubber tube is there. Here you take a rubber tube. This is rubber tube. Then, and another wire, which is 2 wires are connected through a battery. Here we are connecting this battery. Here the positive terminal of the battery. Here the negative. किसी भी बैटरी के 2 टर्मिनल होते हैं बच्चों, एक पॉजिटिव और एक नेगेटिव. Similarly here is a rubber tube. Here is a rubber tube and here is a 2 wire are being connected to the battery. See like this. These are connected here through a battery. These are wires. लिख लो यहाँ पर. These are wires, 2 wires और ये rubber tube है. Here, this is rubber tube. Now, what is the activity we are going to perform? Take a flask with a tightly fitted cork. Here it is a cork. Write down. आप ग्लास लीजिए और एक cork लगा दीजिए यहाँ पर. Put this cork here. Then you take a small electric bell in here. Here is a small electric bell. And put it inside the glass. जार के अंदर अपने बेल को डाल दिया है. Here you can see. Bell is connected through a battery. Here. Other hole. ये दूसरा जो होल है आपका ये रबर ट्यूब है बच्चों. दिस इज अ रबर ट्यूब. ये जो दूसरी ट्यूब है आपके पास, दिस इज द रबर ट्यूब. उसमें से हम हवा निकालेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ वैक्यूम पंप. जैसे ही हम यहाँ बेल को कनेक्ट करेंगे यहाँ पर, अभी इनसाइड एयर है. अभी इस फ्लास्क में बच्चों एयर इज देयर. तो जैसे ही कनेक्शन करेंगे बेल बजने लग जाएगी. बेल विल रिंग. Okay, now pass a current to make the bell ring. जैसे हम ये जो फर्स्ट फिगर है आपका दिस वन, here you can see this figure. जैसे कनेक्शन होगा बेल रिंग करेगी. In this figure A. I can say you will be able to hear the ringing bell. जैसे हम कनेक्ट करेंगे, you can be able to hear a ringing bell with the help of this experiment. Now suck out all the air from the flask using a vacuum pump. अब यहां से इस ट्यूब से सारी की सारी एयर बाहर ले लीजिए आप. You can suck out the air with the help of vacuum pump in this second figure B. यहां पर तो एयर है, अब यहां पर एयर नहीं है, ये वैक्यूम है. यहां पर राइट डाउन हियर इट इज वैक्यूम. तो जैसे आपने सेकंड फिगर में विद द हेल्प ऑफ वैक्यूम पंप एयर को शक कर लिया, तो व्हाट वी ऑब्जर्व, अगेन कनेक्शन करेंगे. वी कैन नॉट हियर द साउंड इन दिस फिगर, वी कैन नॉट हियर द साउंड. Okay, what are the observations made by us with the help of these two figures? Write down. What are the observations? What are the observations made by us? The ringing bell cannot be heard in vacuum. यहाँ पर जो second figure है हमारा, we cannot hear the ringing bell. Write down. Yes. Observation note down. We cannot heard. The ringing bell cannot be heard. लिखो ringing bell cannot be heard. Cannot be heard in vacuum. Ringing bell cannot be heard in vacuum. Right? Yes. Ringing bell cannot be heard in vacuum. The bell can be heard only when the cork is open and allows air to come in. Air यहाँ से अंदर आ रही है. इस first figure में where air is there, then you can hear the sound. Manthan Soni. Mute all. Yes, in this figure, with the help of this tube, you can use air. तो जहां पर air होगी वहां आवाज आएगी. जहां air नहीं है इस फिगर में, there will be no sound heard by you. समझ आ गया बच्चों? बोलो.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Very good. Write down. Sound
Yes, sir.
medium.
Yes, sir.
So लिख लो result.
Yes, sir.
Write down the result. Sound needs a medium. Sound needs a medium. Sound needs a medium for the propagation. For propagation. Sound needs a medium for propagation. Right? Now, speed of sound depends. Speed of sound depends on the medium. Write down. Speed of sound depends on the medium through which it travels. Speed of sound depends. Speed of sound depends on the medium in which it travels. In which it travels. It is fastest in solids. Because sound wave is fastest in solids. Sound wave is fastest in solids and slowest in air. And slowest in air. Sound wave is fastest in solids and slowest in air. The reason is that molecules in solids are closely packed. Here you can see, this is the solid. All the molecules of this glass slate are closely packed. and therefore carry sound fast. The speed of air in sound 340 meter per second. The speed of sound in water. The speed of sound in water is 1500 meter per second. The speed of sound in steel is 5000 meter per second. Here. Okay. So dear children, today this is all about our today's topic. Bye. Is it any problem? Then ask. Bye. Okay.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
बेटा अटेंडेंस लेके भेज देना. कल किसने भेजी थी अटेंडेंस मेरे को? अनुराग ने. चलिए आज मेरे को अटेंडेंस लेके भेजिएगा दिव्यम बंसल. ओके दिव्यम बंसल.